Hello and welcome. We are continuing our lectures. As we all know, coronavirus is everywhere. But here we try to bring you lectures. We have set up a studio where we'll be working from to bring you all the lectures. If you're preparing for your WAEC or IJMB, check the description part of this video and click on the WhatsApp group where we'll bring you lectures on WhatsApp and through other means for you to be preparing and learning. If you're a parent, you don't need your child's brain to go off during this break. Get in touch with us, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are going to be bringing you lectures. We have everything all set up here to bring you lectures. We have all the textbooks. We are preparing these lectures. We are going to be recording them and we're going to be doing them based on the curriculum, so you don't have anything to miss if you're with Tclassified.com. Social distancing is very, very important, and that is why we are organizing these online classes. As far as Nigeria is concerned, Tclassified has got you covered on all the lectures that you need within this period that schools and other things are going to be shut down. So check the description part of this video and click on the WhatsApp links. You're going to be most of our classes are going to be free, so they are very good for you. So we are very, very ready. We are recording everything. As we are making the lectures, we are recording them so that you can have what you need as a student. I have my tripod stand and everything all connected, so that all the lectures that you need, both for IJMB, for your WAEC, you're going to be getting them. So hit the subscribe button. Social distancing, please. Don't go into crowd. Make sure you're washing your hands. I don't want any of you to contract coronavirus. Thank you and God bless you.